Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is your girl, Robelinda, and our vlog for today is... Wait. What's in my bag? First day in college. I delete... What's in my bag as a first day in college nursing student? So, without further ado, let's go. So first, sa bag sa ta. O sa pata mo ato sa mga pencil case, emergency kit, makeup kit, and emergency. Okay, the first one is notebook. As you can see, I have a lot of notebook here, even though we don't need this. Yeah, see, this notebook is for a to-do list, and this is I don't know, and this notebook is kinda my advanced study, as you can see, I read them hand washing, and this one is I don't know. So we proceed to the next level. Next one is planner. Well, also this is my planner, I guess. And the third one is assessment. I have assessment here. I have already an assessment notebook here, even though so good pa ni in second sem DIY. Just like the BP, the stat, yes, kinemerut, binder. Of course, mo itong giikuan ninyo, binder. This one, notebook binder. Snack and lunch. Also, I don't have here pa kay tomorrow is June 16 and that was my first day of school. That was first day of school na ugma. So, and water bottle. Of course, I don't have pa. But I have. Pero wala pa na wash. Umbrella, yes. Yes, as a nursing girl, and you don't want to dirt, di mo ganan mahugawan yung mga white uniform. Yes. Calculator, yes. Actually, guys, I am so very happy because I found my scientific calculator. As I said on my previous vlog, which is what's in my bag is STEM edition. As I told you all, guys, nga nawala, well, it's so slang, nawala ang scientific calculator, but yes, nakita na nako kay bisag asa man ako gibutang barara inyo ate. Yes, my one and only, my love, mag scientific calculator gihapon ta bahalag so to MMW, math in the modern world ra ang ato ang subject, dili ng mga calculus, kinemerit. Next one is yellow pad. Nawa na akong tingog. This is my yellow pad, no? Buhi pa siya pag pa ni grade 11, grade 12. As you can see, nanay ko sa damage, pero kanya to gamiton. And the next one is periodic table. Oh, na naman may biochem. So good. Lagi may biochem lagi. Yes, try. My periodic table since I don't know kung elementary. Ano ba may periodic table ng elementary or Yes, I think elementary to siya. Pero grabe naman po. Basig. Pa grade 10. This one. Na-memorize din ako siya dati, but I don't know na. But, unfortunately, na limta na nako. Basta number 1 kay si Kuan. Sa to, lithium. Ay, di. Hydrogen. Sa to, wait lang. Na may kantaan ni. Alagay, number 1 si hydrogen. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. Basta ngalimot na ko. And the next one is ruler. I don't know kung para asa man yung roller. Para contest height, assessment sa height nimo, or assessment sa imong agility skills. So I don't know ano na ako yung roller. And the next one is AirPods. I'm not kinda use, di ko makamuyo sa ani. Oppo ni siya, Oppo. Katoning kuan, kung naka-remember mo no sa vlog na ko nga Christmas vlog is LCC Koda. Waning nadawatan ni Papa sa Christmas gift, and I use it. Thank you so much, President Simblante. Yes, thank you so much. I love this one. It cost 2,000, huh? It's really good to be true. Next one is index card. Wait, let me put this first, huh? Okay, dapat andam na ta. Unya na ni. But also, no, ay nagdagyaw po kong intermediate. Pasensya na guys kung bati kog naong kay sa camera ko ni tan-aw, wala ko ni tan-aw sa kuan. And index card lagi. Yes. Ano pa ba? First day na bukas, baka kuana na tayo ng index card. Kasi index card dara percent. Yes, ang dami na. Ang dami. Sus, magpa-oral na pod. And the next one, we are here, the pencil case na ta. Here is my pencil case. Yes, I love this since grade 12. Kay grade 12 man gipalit. We have here eraser. Where is my eraser? Yes, new. Kay gikit-kit sa ero na mo ang eraser. That's why I bought new. Bros lagi? Ay, bala na. Correction tape, yes. I have correction tape here. Sharpener. Yes, sharpener. Scissor. Oh yes, I have scissor here. Pencil, of course I love pencil. I have pencil here. It's my 3rd time pencil. Okay, pero may kaunon sa mong ero. And ball pen. Yes, I have. Wala ko ikuan nga ball pen. Mag-buy pa ko. Red pa ay red. Black pa ang naanak ko. I need red, blue, and black. As a nursing student, you need that. Glue. Yes, I have glue here. Highlighter. Yes, wala pa dyan na open akong highlighter day. But I have highlighter here. As you can see, wait, ipagkita na ninyo, ha. That is my kinemerotsi nga amora gubot. As you can see na ako yung highlighter, no? But ipalit gihapon. So here. So we're gonna proceed to makeup kit. Yes. Here is my makeup kit. Unfortunately, wa jud na ko napalit ning kuan small mirror with with comb, small comb with mahogany. So I have here the newest eyelash curler, my loose powder, my, is ito gani? Mini blender. May blender. Here, yes, duha na ako ang kuan kay nahurot na ni usa. My eyelash ambot. Mobile pa ko og bag-ong inani katong dako. My mini brushes and kuan there yan. And also my primer, my palette. Mupalit mo. And here, I don't know kung saan ni siya, no? Tuwa pa na ako na siya nagamit. Eyebrow corrector mascara. And this one. Pencil, eyebrow pencil. Perfect eyebrow pencil. And also, don't forget your foundation. And also, lip tint. So, we need to proceed the emergency. Itas likod. Mura ginagiingon na lang nga maging pasyente ka muna bago maging nurse. So, I have here hairpin. Or daghan na po ani. Not sponsored. No, not sponsored. Here I have ID. In case ba. If in case ba pag senior high nga ID. In case nga need og kuan ID. Kay mo nilang gibuhat need og ID sa pagka makasud. But I don't know, no. Here. Yes. Si tawag ani? Hair tie. Muna ni kuan. Ipugong ni siya. Na i-hair tie dayon nimo. Na kato dayong kuan bun. Na ako'y bun pero narasa ko ang closet. I have wipes. Papalit ako mini tissue. I have alcohol. Alcohol ang soda ni. Pero na pa siya sa gold perfume. So it's not 99.99% alcohol because na pa ni siya sa gold perfume. And also this one is hard. Yes, my perfume. Sorry naman kog laing koon. Kanina pong violet. It's so cool. Basta yung ganahan mong model there sa scent shop. I am here. But not sponsored, ha? And what I have in here. Mura magkuhan boring akong bag. Yes. Naadjud ko yung usa ka kuan. Dugay na ni nako. Dugay na jud nako like 1 year ago. Band-aid. Oh, to band-aid pa diyo. Yes. And also magdagday ko kuan day napkin. And efficacent. Yes, also don't forget this one food. 2x2 picture. So, I think that's it. That's our vlog for tonight. Since tonight man ron, unyang kadlaw na. So, Let's see you tomorrow. Unta ma-upload din ako karon. Kay tapulan ko mo upload kay that's why I need editor and videographer. See you on my next vlog. Bye.